Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, but I won't be talking in it. Only like music is gonna be playing and stuff. A few things change about me, I guess. Hi phone. My hair is pink, but it's fading because it's not permanent. My hair is quite short now. So yeah, also I got this shirt right here. It says The American Dream. It's just a basic black tee, but I love the material. Basically what happened is I am an ambassador for Chick NYC and I got this shirt. If you also want to get this shirt, you can totally get one. Get 10% off with the code Chick NYC. This is not a promotion, anything. I just wanted you guys to know about it because I don't know, I like their clothing and style. And yeah, just like probably my new favorite shirt now. Yeah, but I'm gonna be doing makeup for you guys. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm gonna be using the Kaylee palette. I only got this like on Friday. I know today's Monday. I still haven't used it. I'm excited to try it out and see if it's any good because I know everyone's saying it is. So I want to see that happening. And also thank you for 400 subscribers, which is cool. I never really thought in life I would actually gain subscribers, but it's mine. Okay, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more. Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose sight.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm broken. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place.
that's me finished my makeup look. I don't know. Yeah. I used the Kaylee palette and I absolutely love it. The colors are very pigmented and they easily blend. I can't English today, I swear. But yeah, I really enjoyed this look. I hope it helped you, because like I'm gonna edit this video, I'm gonna make it like super duper long so you guys know how to like do everything. I don't want to like, you know, skip it and stuff. So yeah, this is what the look came about. And my hair's so short, oh my god. But yeah, this is my finished look. My hair is like all different colors, by the way, because of the hair dye, but whatever. I did straighten my hair earlier, but it is not straight anymore, so that's good. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Skadoodles.